Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we'll be getting a power hour clean of the front area. So we'll be doing the living room, the dining room, and the entry area. I really hope that y'all enjoy this video and all that I do. I hope it gives you some inspiration and motivation to get something done today in your house, in your life. And I really hope that y'all like it enough to click the thumbs up. I hope y'all like it enough to go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Turn the red to gray to join the family. And then I hope you comment down below, what are you doing? Why are you watching this video? Okay? I love you guys very much. Y'all have a good day and y'all be blessed.
Baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Hey, can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Do you believe? Straight from a party. We're all on a roll tonight. Women be sparky. All the men be dancing right. Moving my body. Clubbing feels so sweet. We turn and turn and turn again. We turn and turn and feel the heat. Straight from a party. Music's coming your way. I will be smiling. You'll be so fine. Do you believe there's a young world in my heart telling me to dance, taking a chance? If you believe there's a young world to come about, young world shaking the ground. Straight from a party, clubbing till the morning break, moving your body, talking to my soul. And I got all my sisters to the right. We'll be moving till the break of light.
Thank y'all so much for watching this relaxing power hour front area clean with me. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, we are the family that love life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Peace out, y'all. Y'all be blessed.